Get livinggold.com. It's where you wanna be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
What's inside a gold IRA? Let's break it down. Ever wonder what a gold IRA actually holds? Let's take a closer look. A gold IRA isn't just a pile of gold coins sitting in your basement. It's a tax-advantaged retirement account where you can own physical gold. The gold is securely stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can choose from coins like American Eagles or gold bars, depending on your preference. The best part? Your gold grows in value tax-free until you decide to take distributions. Want to know more about how you can roll over your IRA into gold? Check out the link below the video or go to goldforthefuture.com to get more information. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.